Hello everyone, welcome back to Pragna Patel Easy Speak English. Today we will learn English with motivation because language plus confidence equals success. ચાલો આપણે સાથે મળીને ઇંગ્લિશ બોલવાની સફર શરૂ કરીએ. Do you know friends? Every successful person started as a beginner. ભૂલ કરવી એ શીખવાનું પહેલું સ્ટેપ છે. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. So never stop learning, never stop speaking. Let's practice English sentence with 3 levels. Basic to fluent. હું ખુશ છું. I am happy. I feel happy today. Happiness is my power today. હું થાકી ગઈ છું. I am tired. I feel a little tired. I need some rest to recharge. હું વ્યસ્ત છું. I am busy. I am busy with work. My schedule is packed, but I am managing well. Remember this line. Practice makes a man perfect. દરરોજ થોડું બોલો, થોડું શીખો. One day you will speak English confidently like a professional. So friends, never stop learning, never stop dreaming. Hope you enjoy this lesson. Together we grow, together we rise. Take care and goodbye.